Alright, hey there, how we doing, Veve and Ecomi community? It is OhmDawg coming at you with a price action update, and today we are going to get into the charts, and before we do that, we're going to jump into what has happened real quick and what is coming into the Veve app in the next few days. So today, obviously, we have the Thor number 337. I'm not going to jump into the articles, but and we have Edo tomorrow, and today is Veve's birthday, so happy birthday, Veve. It's one whole year. Tomorrow's Todd's birthday, so let's get into it, everybody. And then also, oh yeah, Harley Quinn on Saturday. So, or Harley Quinn Red and White, or Black, Red and White season, or Series 2 on Saturday. So let's throw up a disclaimer, and I'll see you all on the other side. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I'm not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and jump into it real quick and throw up the weekly chart, and this is just what we are printing currently. As of now, a bearish candle, aside from these two bullish weekly candles. So jumping down to the daily, we can start to see some of the price action. I'm going to go ahead and throw up some of the areas that we've had. So since our last session, we were basically looking to see if price was going to reject in this area or trade up through it. Currently it's either accumulating orders here, or we are seeing smaller time frame distribution essentially in this area, so it's something to look out for as well. Yeah, I'm going to jump down to the hour real quick and talk about the recap basically. So last video we were looking to see what price was going to do from this area, as we were currently trading around here, actually around here actually. So we didn't even break these lows yet, and we technically did grab those, and so we were looking to see how price would react through this area, and we really just got this so far. This is all the data that we have. So to illustrate it, I guess we've traded up to it, rejected it once, traded into it again, and we are currently breaking down out of it as of now, at least on the hour chart. The 4 hour okay, this candle, it did engulf this bullish candle, so that could indicate bigger money potentially could have bought right here, bought the market up in order to sell it off. We'll see based on how price prints currently, which is what we're going to get into right now. So let's drop it down to the hour, and potentially for now we want to pay attention to this low right here and how price will react through it, or basically this general area. I could even point out, I'm going to make this a different color as well. Oops. I want to see this area right here, see what happens right here on the hour chart, at least within a 24-hour time frame, as we are reaching Veve's or we are at 1 year of Veve now. So this could potentially play as a news event within the marketplace, so something to keep an eye on. And let's go ahead and change this color real quick. I'm going to change it to a red, just because it potentially could be key in the future. Looking out for generally is how price obviously is going to trade through it, and that's even if we reach these lows. So if we don't even reach these lows from here at this current time, where price is currently standing at 0.007128, we could potentially, if price did want to trade up, we would start to see that volume come into play right here and start breaking back up, and we could relatively continue what the market has been doing right here. Or this could be that shift in momentum on relatively an hour, 4 hour time frame that could potentially put us into buying opportunities in the future. So let's see, price could really break here as well within this 24 to 48 hour time frame. And if it doesn't consolidate, I'd really like to see it break down first and start attacking this area. But we want to see really if price is going to trade into this area and back out in the same scenario right here, just on a I guess to see if buyers exist in this area. And by buyers, I guess I mean the whales, because they're the ones ultimately moving these markets. Let's see. I think I wanted to point something out on the daily that I saw interesting. Where was it? I think, was it the weekly chart? I think it was this area. If I'm correct, then if price does want to ultimately trade lower into this red area on the higher time frames, I could very well see price, if it does break these lows and show us a shift in momentum, strong bearish closures on the higher time frames, we could very well see some better buying prices as well. And the reason I say that is because if this move, or if this weekly candle right here is, if there's an institutional order, I think there is actually. Yeah, in this candle there's currently, within Gate.io at least, 2.2 billion in volume right here sitting in this area. So that's something to look out for. The whales could potentially be sitting out of profit right now in order to stack positions right here and ultimately bring the market back down into this area and close their positions here for break even or even profit as well. So that's something I found interesting, and just keep an eye on that. Back to the daily though, and if price does happen to break down, then we could really start to see lows right here attacked. But if not, if we really start to see momentum build back up, I would like to see more consecutive candles like this start printing up out of this area and above these highs and closing on the daily and weekly time frame. So with that being said, everybody, that's pretty much all I have. This is OhmDawg coming at you with a price action update. I appreciate you all stopping by, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.